Monday around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm going over what they call it, the Mapo Bridge for short, and I'm gonna try to ride it. I'm gonna go over the Hanang River in a second. Okay. Well, I was going to try to do the DMZ tour today, but they don't do the tours on Mondays. And he said I could use his bike, so that's what I'm doing. That's the island that's built up from silt over the years. That's a wildlife preserve now. What a beautiful day. I've been really lucky with the weather. Unfortunately, the bike only has 2 gears. It either has high or low. And the gears were all rusted. You can hear it clinking. And last time I put it into high, I tried to get it back into low, and it wouldn't go into low. And I had to go up this hill in high. And I got my workout there, that's for sure. So I'll just leave it in low. And especially as I get farther away from where I'm staying, if anything breaks, it means a longer walk with the bike. So I'll just leave it as it is and just enjoy the day. We'll check out those colorful tents down there. Yeah, the National Assembly. Olympic Expressway. Oh yeah, they said that I guess they're hosting the Winter Olympics in 2018. I just came down that bicycle ramp, and on both sides of the river they have these roads that are for bikes only, no cars. I've seen runners too. So, and you can see all these bicycles here. I don't know, they look like kids' bikes. Oh, this is a place where you can rent bikes, obviously, right? Makes sense. We'll see how much they charge. Look, they get bicycles for 2. Awesome. Hey, young. So, $3 an hour, or 3,000 won, which is like $2.50 an hour. Whoops! Gotta watch out I don't get run over here. So I'm going to go this way a little bit, which is the opposite direction of Gangnam. And Gangnam Style is some popular song now, I guess. Some fat Korean guy singing about the Gangnam Style, which is, I guess, lifestyles of the rich and famous and Beverly Hills type stuff. So, what a day. Oh, good day to fly kites. You can hear the wind. But the downtown area, I wanted to stop. This guy is a professional kitesman. Look at that rig he's got in his lap. It automatically, this angle kind of stinks. See Seoul Tower right under. See that thing? It's winding up the string. Guy coming on his rickshaw. What's up? They get bathrooms there. It's funny, they've got more bathrooms than they do garbage cans. Now the guy said on the tour yesterday that all those churches, all those crosses indicate churches, Christian churches. And at night you'll see lots of white and red crosses in the sky. Here's somebody coming up on me. Kind of sad when you get passed by some fat guy on a bike. And they even have their mini stops so you can stop and have a snack and a smoke if you. Oh, look at this guy. Exercise. Wow, look at that. Then you get some UBD courses there, upper body development courses. You can stop and work those into your routine. Find a group of friends, and there's a walking path here. And you don't see the, I mean it is kind of smoggy, but it's not as bad as some places around the world. But you notice these bicyclists, they're all wearing handkerchiefs over their mouths, so must be offensive to them. But I'm not a world-class athlete, so sometime they're going to make the pool, which is now empty because it is October. It's one of their government buildings, the General Assembly, which I assume is like our House of Representatives. So I'm riding east now, along the river. Just turned around at the Seoul Marina and Yacht Club. They call that their Manhattan. Let me back it up right there. There's the subway. Hey. Oh, we got a group. Always fun riding in a group. Alright, what are we doing here? I put it into high gear, so, oh boy, coming up any side of hill without momentum. Okay, starting to gain some steam. I know I can. I know I can. I know I can. Must be a lot of fun when traffic's at a standstill and you go right by them. See ya, suckers! But not today. Now, today being Monday, I suspect if I did this course yesterday, there would be just wall-to-wall people. And I'll see if I can catch it on the way back, but there's mounds of garbage back at the last park I passed. Yep, and I saw these people at night, 8, 9 o'clock at night, they're riding out here. I got my bike on the highest setting. Trying to catch these guys. Oh, the thing just locked. Thought this would be a good place to get my bearings. This is the tower. Hopefully these buildings will be on the map. Let's pull out this. We know there's a bridge here. And then there's a bridge here, but there's 23 bridges that cross the city, so I'm trying to identify. Well, when I was looking at the map, I was where I thought I was, but it didn't have any reference point to those buildings. So I don't know the bridge names, so I asked what the bridge was. I was able to get a nice headwind right now. Probably be a headwind when I'm coming back too. Field of flowers. Very pretty. This is bridge number 2. So this supposedly goes right into their Rodeo Drive. So we'll see. Boy, I'll tell you, I usually ride on the bike, stationary bike. Nothing like getting outside with that wind resistance. Of course, having a bike with 2 speeds doesn't help, but what a day. Gorgeous. Great day to be alive. Well, I guess in one short sentence, I'd say this is no Rodeo Drive. Even though they have the names per se, I mean, you can look at the ground. I mean, it's not that clean. I mean, it's extremely busy. Not even in the same class if they want to call this Rodeo Drive. And it's kind of comical because I'm in the bike lane right now. And they make this the bike lane. But then the people don't walk on the sides, they walk in the bike lane. See what I mean? They walk in the path, right there. It's like they're conditioned. Okay, I'm going to get 2 hands back now. Okay, this time we're crossing the bridge underneath this dual bridge. About 4 o'clock. And it's rush hour traffic everywhere. Yeah, if I had my bike, I'd blow you people away. But I've got clunky. You can hear it. Well, I hope the hills are coming out. Okay, now I am coming to the other side, the downtown Seoul side, and I'm going to wait for the traffic. There it is. And we're going to cross over. And it's about a 5-kilometer ride, I'm estimating, to the street I need to take, which is about 3.1 miles. And then it's probably another couple miles from there back to the apartment. And onto the bike path we go. So that's where I stopped to check directions and through those two buildings that weren't on the map. And that's when I went another 4 bridges. You can see the sun starting to set. That's why I'm heading back now. I don't want to be riding on these streets in the dark. Even though I am wearing yellow pants. Okay, well I just climbed up the stairs with the bike. Here's the bike path. And nice beautiful sunset tonight. And I can hold the camera steady now. Because I'm not wobbling. Use that pole to block the sun. Beautiful day. I mean, nice breeze. Probably 70 degrees. Well, you probably don't want to cross this bridge when you're drunk, because the railing comes up below my waist. I remember reading about somebody who committed suicide jumping off, I don't know if it was here, but they failed. They jumped out and the car stopped, but I think they still broke their legs. Boy, it's not a very nice looking building, but great views. The guy was telling me that these apartments, if you tried to buy one of these, it would cost you like $2 million US, and it's not even. He said it was like 3 rooms. Not 3 bedrooms, 3 rooms. It's a lot of money in this city. Well, at the bottom of that bridge, driving right through Hyundai, I always love to see how many of the cars are not Hyundai. See a Ford in there. You're fired! Well, that's a Hyundai. I have no idea what that thing is. That's an old Hyundai. Hyundai. See? Hyundai. Huh. Hyundai. Santa Fe, Hyundai. That is a Sonata, Hyundai. Hyundai. No idea what that is. Serato. Hyundai Sonata. That does not look like a Hyundai logo. That's a Hyundai. Oh, I've never seen the Sonata looking like that. Alright. No idea where I am, so I'm going to just check the map here.